I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to do a test order in Shopify and why doing so. What's the reason? Well, why not try a practice order, a test order in Shopify? That's my question to you, because you can find problems before customers do. And this is really important to learn how you can do it, because it's like you're trying out your store yourself to see if anything is confusing or doesn't work right. Fix any issues before real customers will click on your website. So you have to make sure everything works, like catching if you have a problem with your car before you give it to a friend. So yeah, what you have to do now is to go to settings, and here in settings you have to click on payments. So click on payments, and here in payments, this is what you should see. You should see payment providers. Make sure here you click on choose a provider. Payment provider lets your store take money from customers, but they charge a fee, like paying a small tip for their service. Picking a helper also means you'll pay a little extra on each sale. Now you should type there in the search bar testing. If we're gonna see this bogus gateway, click on that. You're gonna see this, and you have to activate. I already activated, so that's why it shows me reactivate. And then you want to use some credit cards. So don't worry, Shopify has you covered. So you can use a test credit card numbers. As you can see here, you can even search on Google simulate successful transactions Shopify. And that's basically what you have to do. Make sure you subscribe for more. I'll really appreciate that. And if you have any questions related to Shopify, let me know in the comment section and I will create a tutorial for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.